how to remove the empty rows like this. Here I remove here. So in these examples, first you need to click the left corner, the first cells here, and go down your tables, then enter the shift, then click the right down corner, then all the tables was select here and click home. In the home, here is a filter, or we click filters, then you will find here is a filters like this. So we click these buttons. So I will click these buttons here and select all was select unselect. Then go down. If your options was match, go down, click the last one was blanks. Here, click OK. Now all the filters, all the empty rows was select. So the next step is just move your mouse to not here. On the left, here is a row number. Move the mouse to the row number with first empty and hold your left mouse. Go down here, then right click, not here, is move, select all these rows, then right click here is a delete row. Click it and click here filters, then select all, then OK, then you will find all the empty rows was delete. So I hope this will help you.